All right, y'all, who is ready for Valentine's Day? Because it is right around the corner and I'm pretty sure you need the perfect dessert. So I'm gonna show you exactly how to make it. Follow along. To start this cake, I am just gonna stack and fill my cake as usual. And you can see I have a little spot on my cake that just came off when coming out of the pan. This is stuff you don't need to worry about, especially if your cake is frozen. You will not be able to see this. And now that my cake is stacked, I actually need another layer. Guys, we have dogs here and they're just used to being in the kitchen, so they're gonna stay here. But I am gonna add another layer on top so that this cake is extra tall. So I'm just gonna add some more icing and keep stacking. And then I am gonna crumb coat this, but as you can see, these cakes are a little bit crooked, but that is the nice thing about buttercream. If your cakes are a little crooked like these, it's okay. You can patch it up and fix it as you ice. All right, my cake is all crumb coated, and this is normally where you would put it in the freezer or refrigerator, and you definitely should. So go do that now. But I am gonna go ahead and decorate this just because it's still pretty chilled now. I am gonna start with my lightest buttercream and put a big blob on top. And then I will just smooth this out like I would when I start to put my final coat of icing on, going all the way to the edge, and then smoothing out. I will just touch up my sides coming down. So I'm pretty much just doing the opposite of what I normally would do. So normally I would pull in at the top, but because my lip came out, I want to pull down a little bit so that when I pipe, that won't show. And then I will set this aside, and I just have a little cookie tool that is pretty much just a toothpick. So if you don't have one of these, a toothpick works perfectly. I am just gonna go around my base and draw out all my hearts. I wanna make sure that my hearts fit evenly so that once I go to pipe, they don't get all messed up. So I'm gonna start drawing one row. Now that I have marked how many hearts I will have around, I can go in and start piping these. And then I ended up having a heart cookie cutter, which made it so easy. And then once I get my first row done, I'm gonna go back with my one lighter color and go in between those already piped hearts. This cake will definitely test your piping skills, but if you can do it, it's perfect for practice. And then I ended up liking having the hearts as a guide. So as I go up, I'm just using my cookie cutter that I found and using that as my guide so I know exactly where I'm supposed to be piping. And then I'll go back with my heart, marking where these go. And then each time I go up a layer, I just grab my piping bag with a shade lighter of my pink. All right, what do you think? This is definitely not my top-notch cake, but you get to use your piping skills. You only have one tip, a cookie cutter, and 6 shades of your favorite color of icing, and it turns out really cute. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe and ring the bell so you know when cute videos like this post every week. Bye.